Hi everyone, welcome to Priapi Gardens. It's a beautiful Friday and we're going to give you a little tour where we grow our organic vegetable transplants. Lots of lettuce, Swiss chard, broccoli, hybrid tomatoes for the greenhouse, herbs growing here, a boatload of onions on the side, and we're very excited about the upcoming spring as winter leaves us. This is one of our favorite greens, the spicy salad mix. It's a real hit at the farmers markets and with our loyal farm stand customers. And we have some cole crops here. Hi again! This is our high tunnel where we bring our transplants from the first greenhouse to grow. It's not heated with any system, it's solar heated naturally, and it extends our growing season so that we can harvest sooner rather than later. And right now we have lots of spinach, some golden beets, tot soy, romaine lettuce, and kale. Lots of greens in early spring. And you can pluck them right off the plants